What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Tamara. Today we're doing a how-to. We're doing a how-to on how to put on false eyelashes. I'm a beginner, so bear with me. And I'm definitely a beginner on doing a how-to for something that's close to my eye. And yeah, so if you'd like to see me try and put false eyelashes on my eyes, please stick around. And if you don't, then don't stick around, I guess. But if you'd like to stick around and become part of the kaleidoscope, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and bell button down below. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first things first is you'll need to decide on what type of eyelashes you'd like to use. Individual lashes, magnetic lashes. But then there's strip lashes, which are the lashes that most everybody's probably familiar with first. So I only have two different kinds. I don't have the other ones, but so you have your full lashes here, and then you have which looks like this, or they also come in half lashes. Full lashes like this, and they come in half lashes like this. So full lashes will definitely most likely require you to cut them to your length. Well, lesson number one, do not pull the eyelashes off with your fingers like that, because it could ruin the lashes. It could take off some. There is a little bit of adhesive on the back of every eyelashes, so you can place the eyelash where you want it to and not just like fall off and get lost. My suggestion is you can use a tweezer and gently remove the eyelash from here. These have already been cut to my eyelash length, but when you have full eyelashes like this, what you want to do is you want to like put it up against your, let's see if I can do this without making it fall. So you want to measure out like how long, like, I mean, obviously if it goes past your actual eyelash, you kind of want to make like a note. I don't know how you make a note, but like usually you can, if you make like an indent or like you push it near your eye or something. Okay. Then you want to trim it. Okay. So take to the length of your actual eyelash, or as long as the eyelash that you want it to be. So if you want to make them into half lashes, I think you can do that. I don't want to give you false information, but you clip. So you go along the line and you just clip off a little bit. So a lot of helpful things in regards to false eyelashes is that they come in little sections here. I don't know if you can see that. This one not so much, but usually they come in sections. Like you can see the little groupings of sections, and actually mine did come with a little bit of a section thing because I kind of knew like where it was going to be cut off. I'm not really sure how that's possible, but that's what happened. And that's usually where you cut it. I'll show you the sections on a different type of lashes. So you have the full lashes here, and then you have the half lashes here. So here, I will show you what I'm talking about when it comes to the sections. Okay, so you see? So you see how right here, there are little like sectionlets here.
Sometimes I'll start a sentence and I don't even know where it's going. I just hope I find it along the way. Like an improv conversation. Improvisation.
Well, maybe if I do it this way, you'll see it better. Yeah, okay. So you see how they're little clumped together section things? So usually on false lashes, they have that as well. I mean, on full lashes, they have them as well. And that way you're able to like, okay, so I need to cut off like 1, 2. You obviously can always take more off, but you can't put them back on. I mean, if you probably can, I just don't know how to do it. So you use these little like section triangle things right here. Use those as your guide on how many you want to take off. Okay, so first things, a couple questions. Can you put mascara on first? Yes. Can you put mascara on after? Yes. Can you put your eyelashes on after you do your eye makeup? Yes. Can you put your eyelashes on before you do makeup? Yes. That's the first thing. Do you have to curl your eyelashes before you put eyelashes on? No. Will it give them a better effect? Yes. How I learned how to put false eyelashes on, I did not use the typical eyelash glue. I am still terrified on how to do that, but we're going to be doing it soon because I have a hack also in order to put it on easier without so much glue. So I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers, and she showed me, not me personally, but she did how to put on false eyelashes without this kind of glue. And let me tell you, this has been a godsend. It's lash glue liner, which I'm pretty sure I mentioned in my last video regarding the Geno Skin Clean 10 cleansing balm. This is, okay, so it's eyelash glue liner. False eyelash liner. And this one's by Kiss. And it comes in 2 different colors. It comes in black, and then it also comes in clear. I'm very out of my element right now. Can you guys tell? I'm not sure why. This is fun.
Damn it, woman, pull yourself together. Have some pride, for the love of God.
False eyelashes that I'm going to be using today are from the company Fry Happy. They are half lashes, and I got them on Amazon. I think they're like $3 something. And they come in different lengths. They come in different styles. It also gives you instructions on how to apply them on the back. All right, so let's figure this out together. Okay. So curl your eyelashes. I have to get a new eyelash curler, please. Forgive my eyelash curler. Okay. All right. Awesome. Fantastic. I'm going to use my Milani Anti-Gravity, highly rated anti-gravity mascara. Eyelashes can't talk. This is fun. What are we doing? Okay, so we're going to start with a new pair of false lashes. Again, peel it off ever so gently. See, there are different kinds of bands too. Like there are clear bands, and then there are also black bands. This one is a clear band. I don't know if you can see that. I want to do this video, and I have to do this video because I really want to try this other hack to see if it actually works. So please bear with me with this video. I'm not really sure how to do both. Okay. So these are the half lashes, right? So I'm only going to put it on half my eyelid. So you want to put the glue right near, you want to put the glue right near your eyelash area. Take your tweezers, right? And you want to lay them. That happened. Really? And since we're in award season, I'm going to say that the worst eyelash tutorial award goes to me. Okay. Push it down. Hopefully it'll stay. All right, so let's put on the second one. These are reusable. I want to point it out to you, but I want to make sure that you know that you have to clean them with some sort of like oil, like coconut oil, vitamin E oil. You may be able to use micellar water. I'm not sure, but you need to make sure that you clean the bands first before you reuse them. And let's go in again, shall we? I'm using the black eyeliner also because I want to be able to show you where the lashes will go. I haven't used the clear one yet, so I don't know how that's supposed to work, but I guess we can use it as a first impression. I don't know, but also very important, if you're going to get this type of eyelash adhesive, make sure you store it downward, not upward. Tap quickly, and then let's stick them on. Okay, so the key is you want to put them as close to on top of your lash line as possible. You really want to try to get them as close to your eyelashes. So you can see this is a no. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, great. Do's and don'ts. All right, so this side is the do, this side is the don't. You can definitely see, right? You can see the separation here, like where my eyelash, I put it on way too high. So that is a don't. And this one, is definitely a little bit more cohesive. This video is terrible. Okay, I'm going to try and reapply this. I don't know if I can reapply it. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to just rip them off like that. But even though you are able to rip it off like that, they still stay for a very long time. You really want to stick them as close to the top of your lash line as possible. Let's try this again. Okay, that's actually a lot better. I am so sorry about this video, guys. I really don't think I even showed you how to do this properly, like at all. If you'd like seeing me act like a fool and look like I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, tips, tricks, dupes, hacks, how-to tutorials, is it worth it videos, hauls, first impressions, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and bell button down below. And when you hit the bell button, it alerts you for when I post new videos just every Tuesday and Friday. But I love you guys. And I'll see you guys soon. You are amazing, wonderful butterflies, and I love you, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye, my butterflies.